Welcome to 3D comparison. We have SolidWorks now free for students. So we see over here that SolidWorks Education is changing the CAD game by launching SolidWorks Standard Design for free. Now we see over here that this version is currently only available for students from Bangladesh, Brazil, India, Indonesia, Nigeria, and Pakistan. But we see over here that this is now available worldwide. So regardless of the location, if you are a student, you have access to SolidWorks. Now, keep in mind that the competition, so Autodesk has given free education since 2024. And we see over here from 12 years ago that Autodesk offered free education for students. That includes both Inventor, Fusion, as well as the other solutions from Autodesk. We see over here that there are multiple versions. So for SolidWorks, we have the standard for students. This will be available for free. And we're going to see how this includes the 3D CAD. This will also include advanced surface and mold tools. This will enable local storage and also offer access to learning content and student community. The only drawback is that this is only compatible with Windows, and this will require the software to be installed. So this is not, let's say, online CAD solution. Compared to Fusion, that is also not directly, let's say, in browser. You still need to have it installed, but Fusion also enables Mac support over here. And after that, we have Design Premium. As you can see, this will also enable simulation, so structure, flow, and plastics. The module for photorealistic rendering, 2.5 and 3-axis machining, the same access to the learning community, but it will also offer free certification. So we see over here. This will also require the software to be installed on a Windows PC. And after that, we have SolidWorks X Design for students. We see over here that this is a CAD cloud solution. So this will also work with Chromebook, Macs, tablets, and also Windows. And there's no installation required. So this is the main advantage. The main drawback is that this will be $60 per year. And I'm going to go ahead and I will compare this also directly from Dassault with the other programs. So we have over here the student offers for SolidWorks. This is the one that I discussed now. As you can see, the latest, the cloud-based solution. But we also have CATIA 3DEXPERIENCE for students, starting from $60 or euros, depending on the region, or 3DEXPERIENCE for students over here. As you can see, this is 3DEXPERIENCE Engineer. If I will go ahead and I will open those in order to see some additional informations, we're going to see over here that this will include multiple workbenches. We see them over here. So generative design, X-shape design, 3D design. I can go ahead and I can open an additional list. And we're going to see all the workbenches that are included over here. So we see some advanced surface design will be enabled within that. We have the subdivision modeling, which is X generative design. We have X-shape design over here. This is for, as you can see, sheet metal. And we also have the following version, which is engineering. And as you can see, this will also include CATIA, Simulia, and Delmia. And we see over here the following robot, and this will also include some additional workbenches. As you can see, it will include functional generative design, something that we didn't have within the previous one, linear structural validation, mechanical scenario creation, and machining, in this case, prismatic machining. If I'm going to go ahead and I will open this, we're going to see additional information regarding this. So we do have those workbenches where we can use either additive manufacturing or machined components. So we're going to start with a legacy CAD model and we can have that optimized. That will be functional generative design over here. And we're going to see that the main advantage of this is that it will include part design, assembly design, but also imagine and shape. And from Delmia, we're going to have prismatic machining, milling, and turn machining over here as well. Now, these are the offers. I'm really curious, what's your opinion regarding this? Do you think that SolidWorks will grow since it's already, let's say, the most popular 3D CAD solution? Even though it's not currently, so it only for several days, it has become free for students. Most universities had various solutions, so student educational versions for them. So this is why SolidWorks is one of the most used software. I also prefer to use Fusion since, as I said previously, Autodesk has been offering Fusion free for students and free for teachers for the last 12 years. So that's a long timeline. But we see now that Dassault decided to join, and they will also offer free educational software. Okay, so I will also start creating additional videos regarding SolidWorks. So if you want to see additional videos, I'm going to add over here my SolidWorks playlist. And if you enjoy this kind of content, you can consider to subscribe. You're going to find the button on the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.